Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1966 Pontiac LeMans. This is a GTO tribute car. It is not a true GTO. Car has undergone a complete frame-off restoration. Beautiful car, guys. It's finished in Nightwatch blue metallic, which is a dark blue. It's got the black vinyl interior, the black convertible top. It has a healthy 400 cubic inch with a tri-power unit and a Muncie 4-speed behind it. And that's probably the most surprising thing. When you get out and you drive this thing, this car scoots, man. It gets with the program. Again, frame off restored car, so the bottom of the car is nice. You can see it's got the rally ones with the red lines. Just a good looking car. Nice. Car drives out good, shifts good. I noticed when I shifted out the car, the pattern's nice and tight. Good car, really good looking car. You can see they've replaced a lot of the chrome and stainless. There's a couple little bulbs Jay said we've got to change on it. But we're trying to shoot while this shooting's good. Unfortunately, I'm leaving for a show, and so I'm going to be gone here. Pretty blue metallic paint on this car, guys. It's got a real good look to it. Bucket seats, Muncie 4-speed, power top. Little stone chip there in the paint. Little pitting there, but pretty doggone nice, guys. I love in 66, I love the eyebrow tail lights. Nice and flat down the sides. I love the rally ones. It's my favorite wheel on a Pontiac. Killer car. And this is it's a 400 cubic inch engine. They've of course added the tri-power, Muncie 4-speed. You can see the chrome air cleaners and valve covers. Car's pretty stock underneath the hood. They've added an aluminum radiator. See, the paint's pretty slick on the car. This is a good looking car, man. Good straight Pontiac. And like I say, it's a fun car to bang the gears on. Really kind of surprised me with how it runs. You can nitpick the A-pillar chrome there a little bit. Looks like it's got new mirrors. Door handles have definitely been replaced, new door rubbers. New carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats. It's got the Hurst shifter in there, wood grain dash. You can see the little interior lights in there work. They've got some aftermarket speakers in there. 40,347. I'm assuming that's not original, guys. It's all factory. It's got some aftermarket gauges in there. Stock radio. It's got all brand new dual exhausts. It's a 10-bolt rear end with a 355 limited slip, or what they call safety track gear. I'm sorry, it's a 323, isn't it? I think it's a 323, guys. 323 safety track. New boot. You can see it's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. Car's nice and clean underneath. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Dash is in good shape. Steering wheel pretty darn nice. I have Jay fired up here. I'd say, man, this thing, it scoots, guys. It definitely gets with the program. Car's cammed up a little bit, so it's got a good sound. Fuel gauge works. It's like everything in there is working except for, I don't know if they got the voltmeter hooked up. No, probably got it. They said the parking brake needs to be adjusted. It's a newer top, guys. Power top. It's got the plastic back window. That's good, Jay. I think our left turn signal's out. Oh, that's right. It's got the eyebrows, so they're not easy to see. The left turn signal's on. Yeah, it's flashing. Yeah. I think it's up front. It's hard to see those with the eyebrows, guys. No on the radio?
Lower motor, yeah.
Lower motor works.
Nothing on the radio.
Nothing on the radio, guys.
Warmed up,
Yeah, we got a bulb out and right. Oh. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That car's just got a good look to it, man. Have a great day, guys.